In this video, I am going to show you how to read a CSV file in R and plot IDVD characteristics. So this is the CSV file generated by Agilent uh, parameter analyzer B1500A. Output characteristics of depletion mode gallium nitride HEMT was measured using this parametric analyzer, and this output file was generated. So this is a CSV file, and this CSV file is having pre-rows up to 259 rows. So all these things shows the information about the uh, test test file and the parameter analyzer. So we have to skip up to 259 rows, and we have to start reading from 260th row, and 260th row will be taken as the header line. So I'll show you in our script how to read this file and how to plot output characteristics. So in order to read the CSV file, we need a library called CSV read. So before calling the CSV read, we need to install it in our R by this command: install packages CSV read. So if we run this command, the CSV read will be installed. And for plotting data, we need ggplot2. So similar way, we have to install the ggplot2 package as well, but I have already installed, so I am not installing it again. So I have to run this, and this here I am defining a function called ggparams. So this function will be called for plotting data, and I am customizing my plot like axis title. So I am telling that the x-axis title will be in bold and color will be this and size will be 18, and y-axis title also will be bold, color will be this, size 18, and angle will be 90 degree. Like axis text, so this will be the text of the axis, it will also be bold and size will be 14, and like this. And this is plot title, so plot title it will have a size of 20. So this is designing the graph. Now I'll show how to read. So in order to read a CSV file, I have to define the path where is it saved. So my CSV file is saved in this folder, so I have given it the folder path and the name of the CSV file. And the CSV file I have to skip 259 rows, and there is a header line, so I have given this header equal to true. And since this is a CSV file comma separated file, so it is, the separation is given by this comma. Here I am defining the uh, width and the height of my graph, and I am plotting using ggplot. So I am calling the gg params that I have already defined earlier, and I am storing these gg params in another variable called p1, and I am adding this plot should be line plot, and I am calling data a. A means I have stored the CSV file data in a, that's why I'm calling this a. And in x-axis I am plotting vd, y-axis I am plotting id, and this color will be vg. So this idpd is for different vg plot. So different for different vg values color will be different, and the width of the plot line will be 2. And here I am giving the title of the plot at output characteristics, and x level as drain voltage in volt, and y level as drain current in ampere. And this is the legend color that will be legend script will be vg. So then I'm printing this. So if I run this program, you can see that I'm getting this output characteristics.